Hey everybody, how are you today? Sorry about that. I am coming here today and we're gonna do old school video because my iPad's not charged from this last weekend and it's over in a bin. So I don't have it ready, so we're not doing the whole mix and match up screen and a screen thing, okay? So let me see. I don't have anyone here yet, but that's okay. I'll wait a couple minutes. But today what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do these amazing little ornaments. They're brand new from Chalk Couture. Look at this. You can do the front and the back. They're whitewash, cut out. What? And I love them. Hey, Jamie, how are you? So we're gonna be doing some of these. And I have our ornament transfers here ready to go. Now remember, with all of these you could add your embossing. You could add, I don't know if I have my embossing. Yeah, I do have it right here. We could do a little embossing. Ooh, I have this pretty teal. Teal and silver. And what's that? That's white I have right here. Is there a gold? There is a gold and a gold. So we could do a little bit of embossing today too. What? Say what? Hey, Sabrina and Jen. Okay, so without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and get started on this live and make some ornaments here with you. Remember that I have my little sample chalk paste set going on because I was just at a big show. Had to do a class for 50 people every day. So by doing that, I divide, this is our normal chalk paste, okay, 3 ounce. This is our old one. So I'll be using some of the old, just the containers, not the chalk itself, because I had to divide it up and I wanna make sure I still have my chalk paste to use, just saying, right? Okay, so let's get going and let me show you what I'm doing here and having some fun. This is like the cheapest therapy, you guys. Remember to follow me at www.chatandchalk.com. Share this video all around the crazy and share me with your friends if you don't mind. I would appreciate that. So let's have some fun. So the new transfer set. Let me get my phone going here. There we go. The new transfer set comes with 4 different, got the cute little deer. And I think Chalk Couture, I guess German, like the German look is in for this year for all the trending. So of course we have the amazement. So we have 4 of those to go with the shape of our ornament. Then we have joy, Noel, peace, and love. And then we have 2 little just designs, the holly and then the Dutch flowers or tulips. We have the snowflake, the fox, the penguin, and then these you can use for either white or black in the middle and handwrite your names and make it more personable, right? Using our chalk markers. Now, of course, I'm using our shears, which are awesome because they don't get gunky or anything from the adhesive, and they're Teflon coated. If you haven't ordered these, you would want them because these are only for your transfers, okay? I mean, you could use them for ribbon if you wanted. It really wouldn't hurt, but I don't because I'm weird like that, okay? I like to keep things there. Okay, so I'm gonna be chalking right here, and I think everybody can see that, right? Yeah. And so I'm gonna go ahead and get going. So like I said, these are our whitewashed wood ornaments, and they also come with a little piece of jute that you can tie on them. Or you can add your own ribbon, of course, or whatever you like. They just come with that rustic look ribbon. Now I have to tell you, I have been, like I said, going a little cray-cray last week. Ooh, I want to do this one, I think. And on these, you can chalk front and back. So that's really, really cool. Now, I've already used these once, so I'm just going to stick them down on there. They encourage you to wax these, and I would too, because what that's gonna do, it's gonna protect your transfer, and it's gonna allow you to wash this off if you don't like it. So that's always good. So stick that right on top of your cutout, and then decide your colors. I think I'm gonna do yellow at the top here in this little crinkly. And I don't have, well, I have them, but I don't know where they are. My tools, my multi-tool, they're in a kit somewhere in my bedroom. So I'm gonna use some of these little mini squeegees that I've chopped up to do some little tiny work. But you would want to use your multi-tool, just so you know, because it's a lot easier to, you know, hold it like a pencil. What color do I want to do the middle? Yellow. I don't want to do it all red. The glittery red. That'll look pretty. So I'm going to use the shimmer red for the middle, and then the bright yellow for the top and bottom is what I'm going to do. Or I could use the shimmer silver. I can make it look all pretty. Let's make it look all pretty. Or the shimmer gold. The shimmer gold looks pretty with that. But we're going to use the silver. Okay. I figured it out, guys. It's okay. No worries. So I'm going to use this shimmer red in the middle and this silver at the top and bottom. So just dip my chalk paste, my squeegee into my chalk paste, and smear it on like I would normally, deciding where you're going to make these. I love these ornaments because they're retro and they're just stinking cute. And who wouldn't love them? I mean, they would look so pretty hanging on your tree, and you could personalize them, make them as teacher gifts. Teachers, you know, they get some of the coolest things. My son's a teacher, and I am always amazed at how the kids really know how cool he is and what he likes. You know, at the end of the year when they give him things, it's like, Andrew, that's so you. And he's like, I know, they know me. I'm like, of course they do. They're with you every stinking day, right? And he does fun things. He's the music teacher, so he gets all the kids all the time. And he does some great little classes, right, for them after school and before school. Like they have piano club and drum club, and he really tries to get them to love music because it's such a great thing. Okay, let's go ahead and pull this. Now I kind of have my transfer there. Ah! What? Look at how beautiful that turned out. Oh my gosh. I'm loving that, aren't you? And I could then put, like, if I wanted to put my little fox in there in brown. What? Shut the front door. I'm going to leave it just like that. I just love that. To me, that is so pretty. I can't read your comments right now. I will read them in just a minute. So like I said, you can do the front and the back, but we got to let it dry. Let's see, or you could make them all the same, I guess. I'm not gonna do that. You know I don't do that. That would be boring. I like making everything different because that way it gets your brain thinking. Oh, and this has the little holly and berries. Oh my goodness, look at that. You can have so much fun with either the detail or not, right? You could do, okay, that one needs to come up a little. You could do like major detail or you could not, you know? It's up to you how you want to make it look. There we go. Rub that down. I think on this one I'm gonna try and do my red, green, and silver. Let's see if I can do it without having my multi-tool. It might be really hard. Oh, somebody really tightened this puppy on. Man, whew. Crumble City. That's what's so funny is like I sweep my floor and I just end up with chalk paste crumbles. It's so funny. Okay, so let's try red, green, and silver. And then I think in this one, I'm gonna put Noel. Then I'm gonna show you something fun that I found out that you could do. So I'm gonna do the silver and the little dots. And so these, you can also use them with our chalk chips, and I'll show you how that'll work because it's pretty cool. So you have a item that you can use with numerous surfaces, obviously. Little green here. My green I should have stirred, but I didn't. Oh, I got a whiny cat now, of course. You know, I could almost use Q-tips for those little dots if I think it's just too much, you know, to use my squeegee. If my squeegee's too big, I could just use Q-tips or my finger. My fingertip would work too. But I'm gonna try using the squeegee just at the bottom and at the top. There we go. And then lift him. Oh my goodness, doesn't that look adorable? Adorbs. Adorbs, man. What? I'm loving this. Okay, and in the middle of this one, I'm gonna do in red. I think I'm gonna do Noel. And I might do the red and green. Let me dry him up. I might do the red and green like an ombre down with a little, well, the silver doesn't really ombre well. I mean, it will, but I don't like the way it looks to ombre. I like it, I like the silver and the shimmers, kind of like a accent, you know? So why don't we ombre Noel? So I'm gonna put that here. Right in the middle, try and line them up right there. And I could do this silver here. I'm just gonna do him red in the middle. I just want him red. That's all I want. I want him red. You guys just gonna have to get over it. I just want him red. Because I think it'll look good. But I'm gonna do the silver on the top and bottom. Okay, so the silver, these are just little tiny ornaments, but man, they're stinking cute and fun. Kind of like the little houses. Did you guys see my little houses? I think you did when I did those. Everybody loved those. I sold out of those transfers. That was fun. Southern Women's Show was a great time. Now, my next show that I'm going to will be this weekend. We actually have 2 shows happening, 2 vintage market days. One is in Pendleton, South Carolina, and it's right there by Charlotte. And so if you're in that area, go over and say hi to Stephanie and Brenda. They will be there working that show. And then I will be flying into Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, and helping with that vintage market show with Loretta and Sierra. So if you guys are anywhere near or around, stop by and say hey and give us a hug on the neck. And say, hey girl, hey. Look at that. What? I love it. Love, love, love. Okay, so y'all get the idea, right? You get how this is going down. Like way too much fun. So there's so many different combinations you can do with this. You could have so much fun. Let me see what answers I got. Hey, Brenda and Kristen. So with these little ornaments, look at that. I just love this. What? I love these ornaments. I was dying. I was jonesing all weekend trying to do these. I wanted to do these. Hey, Jamie. See Jamie and Sabrina and Jen. Dina, hey, girl. Emily, Kristen, Brenda, Steph. Leslie, hey, how are you? Stephanie, did you click the sad face? I'm sorry. But, so imagine if on that Noel, if I did it when it was wet and I put glitter on it, shut the front door. So, you know when you put your chalk down, if you want to do glitter, you just do it really quick while it's wet. But you take that transfer off and get it as far away from the glitter as you can. And then do your glitter, but you don't want it dry, okay? Because you don't want glitter on the back of your transfer. I do have to show you guys how to clean your transfers because that's important. This is always like a little class that I hold here for you. Whenever I do my lives, I always look at it like I'm doing a little class for you, and it's a lot of fun. And remember, you need to share me, share, because sharing is caring. Let me turn you right around, and I'll show you how to clean. So you can either take this right to your bathroom, run it under your sink or whatever. But I always like with the smaller transfers to use my spray bottle. I gotta find the one that has all the juice in it here. And I just simply spray my spray bottle on my water, just water from my sink, okay? Now, if you have our mister, it's amazing. You don't have to really push. You just push once and it goes whoosh. Just the perfect amount. I don't have one available for me to use because you use distilled water. And I mean, we have a dehumidifier that I could really use that distilled water in. But it's one of those lazy things. It's just me. But I know Kristen has it and she says it's phenomenal. So it's a good thing. And then you just simply wash that off. Get into those little crevices like that. Wash, wash, wash. Of course, if you're using our shimmer, you're going to have a little shimmer left. It's okay. Shimmer it, baby. Turn it over, gently wipe it just to get that little excess off. And then place it right back on the backer. Shiny to sticky, that's very important because if you do shiny to dull, you have a sticker now and it won't come off and it really stinks. So to me, this is the easiest way to clean your transfers. It's just easy peasy, 1, 2, 3, lemon squeezy. And you just wipe it off, turn it over. And you know what? If you have these little tiny areas, just use your little fingernail, push that cloth in there on the side that is not sticky. Get in there. Or you could use your board eraser on this side, which mine's in the bathroom right now. Turn it over again. And you can also just spray it one time if you want, just to get a little light mist on it. Put that over it and you're good to go. Get your backer. Remember, shiny to sticky. Or you can write on the back, you could just write back. And then you would have no question. And you wouldn't kick yourself in the booty if you did it wrong, right? I've been doing this quite a while. I think I gotcha. I started with the company in 2016 before it was a company, and that was always kind of fun to be able to do the fun things and learn and try new things with new colors. It's just a lot of fun. So then I'm gonna take this, and this has a bigger screen. You see how big that screen is? So I just wanna add a little bit of water here, make sure I have everything off, because it is a bigger screen, just like that. Lightly brush it. Get that hair out of there, Mary Jo. Come on, I am shedding like you would not believe. It must be winter. Put sticky to shiny, and off we go. Bam, 1, 2, 3, make it just flat. Boom. And you're ready to go for next time. What? I know, right? I know you do love your mister, don't you, Kristen? The mister is a good add-on if you're ready to get that. Get your transfers, get your misters. You always need the tools that you need. What I love about our tools is they're not just little gadgets, they're tools. You have tools, you use your tools. The same with the scissors. I like the scissors for our transfers. So that was it. That was our easy peasy lemon breezy quickie today with our ornaments. I just made these 1, 2, 3. What? I'll show you. I just did 2. Wait, there. Just did these 2. And I love them, and I'm going to do the back side of them in a little while. I'm just going to sit here and chalk a while because I just need a little quiet time. Okay, you guys have a great day. Aloha, and I will see you again very soon. Bye.